Alright, hello everybody. I'd like to apologize for not releasing any videos last week, except for my standard Back to Basics video. I've kind of run out of stuff to do with the materials I have on hand. I have some ideas for some stuff that I'll be doing soon. I just need things to arrive. So I'll try to do some more tech videos if I can find some stuff to do, but videos might be thin for the next couple of weeks until I start getting my materials. So today, what I'm doing is a postbag video. It's kind of a generic YouTube thing to do, but I figured I'd give it a try and see what people think. It's also kind of a vlog video, sort of. I guess it's not really a vlog because you can't see my face, but yeah, so let's go ahead and open this thing that I got from DHL yesterday. I think I know what it says right here what it is. Soldering tool and welding tool. Alright, so this is a tool that I ordered off of Banggood, so let's go ahead and rip this open and see what we've got. Alright, so it's really very thoroughly packaged. Let's open that up. Nothing left in that. Sorry, headphone users, for the crinkly plastic noises. That's probably not humongously pleasant. Let's pop this open. There we go. Alright. And here we have the soldering iron that I ordered for a project that I'm planning on doing soon. Let's see what we have here. I'll do a more thorough review of this later. Haystar Tools PX978. Alright. Initial impressions. Kind of nice packaging, actually. It runs on 110. Looks like it's grounded. We'll see if that's actually true or not. It's got some different presets for temperature. That's kind of nice. Although it doesn't... I tend to run my soldering iron at 300, so I guess I'll be running it at 330, and I can try 280, see how I like it. Claims 90 watts. I don't actually have a thingamabob for checking wattage on AC stuff, so we'll have to test that soon. And it also came, well, it didn't come with a bunch of tips. I ordered a bunch of different tips for it. So it's got the Hacko style of tip here, where the tip socket's onto the heater core. Looks fairly nice. I need to remember not to do a full review here. Clicky button for turning on and off, and a whole bunch of tips. This is actually, I'm very pleased with the number of tips we've got here. And it does have my favorite style of tip in it, which is this sort of semicircular chiseled tip sort of thing. These are really great. I've talked about them before. Because if you need to put a lot of heat on a joint, you've got a nice flat surface there to transfer a lot of heat, but if you need some precision, you can just rotate the soldering iron a little bit and use the pointy end here. So that's nice to see. Yeah, so this is the reason why I ordered this was because I've got another project coming up as soon as all of the materials arrive for it, that I felt that the other soldering iron I have up here, this one, I have to do a lot of soldering for this project that I've got coming up, and I was kind of concerned that this wouldn't hold up to the job because it's going to have to be on for a really long time and be used very heavily. So I figured I'd order something a little more heavy duty. And this was nice and inexpensive on Banggood. But I'll do an upcoming video where I do a more thorough review of this. And yeah, so stick with me for the next couple of weeks while the materials I need for the project trickle in, and I'll keep releasing my Back to Basics videos, of course. And I also have a new series that I'm going to be releasing where I'm going to be exploring digital logic and explaining how digital logic works. And that'll be a separate series from Back to Basics. Um, I'm not too sure what day I'll release it on, but I'll figure that out. Probably do it on Saturday, maybe. Um, so yeah, thanks so much for joining me. If you liked, click the like button down below. There's no purpose for likes except to let me know that you liked the video. I don't make any money off of these videos yet. Likes don't make me any money. But what will eventually help this channel out is reaching 1,000 subscribers. I hate begging for subscribers, but what the heck is going on back here? Hey, chill. One of the cats is playing with a cardboard box back there, making a lot of noise. Anyway, so getting back on track. Click here to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. There's also a little bell icon next to the subscribe button that's next to the right of the title of the video. You can click that for a notification that I've released a new video. I'll put a video that YouTube thinks you like based on your watching habits here. This will eventually be a playlist for postbag videos, I guess, if postbag videos are popular enough. And here's a link to my Patreon if you'd like to support the channel with a couple of bucks a month, just to help me order things to do stuff. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.